we are going to learn how to create an unordered list. Now, unordered lists and ordered lists are very similar, except we will use an unordered list to create a list with bullet points, and an ordered list is going to use numbers and put them in order. So, for our unordered list, I am going to put it between tutorial 5 and tutorial 6. So, to create an unordered list, we are going to use the element UL. UL stands for unordered list. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close it right now, so I don't need to think about it later. So to close it, I am going to use a dash to say this is the end of the unordered list, and then put it in its little box. Now, this is our first example of nesting. Now, nesting is used when we want to put elements inside other elements. For example, if we wanted to put an image as our link, we would have put an image in between the opening A tag and the closing A tag. Our body is also an example of this. Our body is going to contain all of the visible content on the web page. And we have put all of our visible content in between the body tags. So for this, we are going to create a list, but what is a list if it doesn't have items? Now, items are the different things you are going to put inside your list. So list items have their own special tag that we use to define it. And it works just like our other tags. It has an opening tag and a closing tag. So for our first list item, LI, I am going to list the classes that I teach. First, I'm going to put the first list item, which is 10DTG. Now remember, we want to tell the computer that we have finished with this list item. So we do that by closing the tag. Next, we want to add another list item. So we make a new list item element. The content of that element is going to be the name of another class that I take. And then again, we are going to close that list item. We're going to do that one more time. Now, let's make sure that we have done this correctly. Each list item should have an opening and closing tag. The content of the list goes in between the tag. Our list item tags should be inside of the unordered list element. This means that we have an opening tag, then our list item elements, and then we have a unordered list closing tag. Now when I run our code, our markdown, we can see that we have successfully created an unordered list.